For sale by consignment at Classic Auto Mall in Morgantown, Pennsylvania, is this 1985 Chevrolet C30 dually pickup truck. This square body features a 350 V8 with an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, TH350 3-speed automatic transmission, and a Dana 60 rear end out back. It sports shiny chrome bumpers and 16-inch wheels, plus a bed liner that's in great condition showing limited use. The aftermarket taillights are a nice accent to the two-tone paint. The interior features a black and blue bench seat, AM/FM cassette radio, as well as air conditioning. This Chevy truck is a great example from the 80s with a nicely painted body, fully loaded, clean custom interior with a popular engine and transmission, plus the dual hood scoops. See tons of pictures and get all the details at classicautomall.com. If you're considering buying or selling a classic or collectible vehicle, check out Classic Auto Mall. We advertise, sell, and ship worldwide while making the process safe, easy, and secure. For more information on the consignment process or to easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 cars in our massive showroom, visit us at classicautomall.com.